Hey loves, in today's Amazon eyeshadow palette review, I will be creating this glittery, warm-toned eye makeup with the Dikalu Coco Venus 35 color eyeshadow palette. The Dikalu Coco Venus 35 color eyeshadow palette is sold by the brand Findin Beauty on Amazon for $10. The Coco Venus palette is a beautiful, warm-toned mixture of mattes, shimmers, and glitters. I am starting off this makeup look by highlighting my brow bone with the Wet n Wild Single Shadow in Brulee using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. With the Coastal Scents Pointed Crease brush, I am blending this brick red directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. I am applying this dark brown shadow to the outer third of my lid with the AOA E113. As a base for my glitter, I am applying this shimmery dark orange to the remainder of my lid with the Nicka round eyeshadow brush. To adhere my glitter, I am using the clear Eye Envy Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. I am applying my glitter with the Lormay Silicone applicator. It is a mixture of dark orange and iridescent glitters. In comparison to other pressed glitters I have used, this one was really soft and it didn't come off as sparkly as I would have liked. Maybe next time I should do 2 layers. I am highlighting my brow bone with this shimmery champagne shadow using the Energy 124. I am applying a thin coat of the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes mascara. The lashes I am wearing are the Ioni 3-strand Wispy Medium Full individual lashes. I also added a wing with the LA Colors eye marker. Now I am blending this dark orange shadow along my lower lash line with the Energy 111. I thought it would be fun to put a bold color on my waterline. This is the Ruby Kisses 24-hour Eye Define liner in metallic gold. I feel that it really pulled the eye look together with the various warm tones. I am highlighting my inner corner with this really pretty golden green. I thought it complemented the eyeliner on my waterline as well as the iridescent flakes in the glitter on my lid. Here's my completed Coco Venus eye makeup. I really enjoyed using the Coco Venus palette to create this makeup look. Warm tones are my favorite. These shadows have amazing pigmentation and blendability. They are so soft. The shimmers are amazing. I didn't have to wet my inner corner highlight or the highlight I used on my brow bone. And the glitter was really pretty as well. I definitely recommend you check out the Coco Venus palette for yourself. There will be a link available in the description, along with all of the other products that I used to create today's makeup look. Let me know what you think of this look down below in a comment, and until next time, bye loves!